Hello and welcome to another edition of Autocar India's Quick News, your weekly roundup of everything new in the automotive industry. Before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe to the Autocar India channel and hit that bell icon to be notified of all the new and exciting videos coming out. We kick things off with Maruti Suzuki, who have finally announced prices for the Victoris. Available in 6 trims, it's priced between Rs 10.5 lakh and Rs 19.99 lakh ex-showroom introductory. Bookings opened on September 3rd and it will be sold exclusively through arena outlets. Here is a look at the detailed price list. Maruti has also rolled out a subscription plan for the Victoris with monthly rental starting at 27,707 rupees. The package covers the car, registration, insurance, maintenance and roadside assistance. Powertrain options are shared with the Grand Vitara, offering a choice between a 103 horsepower 1.5 litre mild hybrid petrol, a 116 horsepower 1.5 litre strong hybrid and an 89 horsepower 1.5 litre petrol CNG. Transmission choices include a 5-speed manual for the CNG, an eCVT for the strong hybrid, and either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic for the mild hybrid. The top spec mild hybrid also gets all-wheel drive. All variants of the Victoris get 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, traction control, hill hold assist, ISOFIX mounts, rear parking sensors, overspeed alerts and more. Notably, this is the first Maruti to offer level 2 ADAS. The Victoris has also scored a full 5-star rating in both Bharat NCAP and Global NCAP crash tests. Moving on to Tata Motors, the Tata Altroz facelift has secured a full 5-star rating in the Bharat NCAP crash test. In the frontal offset deformable barrier test, the driver's head, neck, chest and feet received a good rating with adequate protection for the legs. The co-driver also scored good except for an adequate rating for the right tibia. In the side pole impact test, the driver received good protection across all body regions, resulting in an OK rating. In the side movable deformable barrier test, protection was mixed, good for the head and pelvis, adequate for the abdomen and marginal for the chest. The Altroz scored a near perfect 23.90 out of 24 in child occupant protection with the restraint system. Side protection for both the 18-month-old and 3-year-old dummies was a full 4 out of 4. In frontal impact, the 18-month dummy scored 7.9 out of 8, while the 3-year-old scored a perfect 8 out of 8. Standard safety kit on the Altroz includes 6 airbags, ABS, ESC and 3-point seat belts for all passengers. Higher variants also add a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring and tire pressure monitoring system. Good news for Skoda RS fans, the much-awaited Octavia RS is finally launching in India this November. Back in June, Skoda India brand director Ashish Gupta confirmed the RS was coming this year, though the exact month hadn't been revealed back then. The 4th gen Octavia RS packs the familiar E8888 2-litre turbo petrol with 265 horsepower and 370 Nm paired to a 7-speed DSG. The same 2-litre block is also used in the Skoda Kodiaq RS and the Volkswagen Golf GTI. Skoda claims a 0 to 100 time of 6.4 seconds with a top speed limited to 250 kph. Sources suggest the new Octavia RS will be priced close to the Volkswagen Golf GTI, which is priced at Rs 50.91 lakh. It will come as a full import limited to around 200 units, just like the last RS 245. Moving on to two-wheeler news, the updated Royal Enfield Meteor 350 has been officially launched. It gets a host of updates and thanks to revised GST rates, it comes in at a more affordable price. The updated bike now gets LED headlamps and indicators on the Fireball and Stellar variants, replacing the halogen units. There are 7 new color options across the range: orange and grey for the Fireball, matte grey and marine blue for the Stellar, retro green and red for Aurora, and black for the Supernova. The biggest mechanical upgrade is the addition of a slipper clutch, although the 349cc single-cylinder engine with 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm remains unchanged, paired to a 5-speed gearbox. Chassis, suspension and brakes also carry on as before. Fireball and Stellar also get the tripper board as standard, while the Aurora and Supernova get adjustable levers. Thanks to the revised GST rates, the updated Meteor 350 is now more affordable despite the new features. Here is a look at the price list. Honda has brought back its most extreme super sport to India, the CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP. It's the most focused Fireblade yet, developed with HRC and infused with MotoGP tech. Powering the Fireblade is a 999cc inline-4 making 217.5 horsepower at 14,000 rpm and 113 Nm at 12,000 rpm, identical to the 2022 model. It's paired with a 6-speed gearbox, a bi-directional quickshifter and ride-by-wire throttle. The Fireblade uses a double-beam aluminium frame and MotoGP style swing arm, paired with electronically adjustable Olin suspension. Braking is handled by twin 330mm discs with Brembo Stylema calipers up front and a 220mm disc at the rear. It rides on 17-inch wheels with 120-section fronts and 200-section rear tires. A 6-axis IMU supports a full electronic suite offering adjustable traction, wheelie and launch control, engine braking and settings via a TFT display. At Rs 28.99 lakh, the Fireblade SP costs almost Rs 5 lakh more than when it was last on sale here. This time though, India only gets the top spec SP variant. BMW Motorrad has also launched the 2026 S1000R Supernaked at an introductory price of Rs 19.90 lakh ex-showroom India. For 2026, the BMW S1000R gets a major redesign up front. Gone is the single vertical headlamp that drew mixed reactions, and in comes a new split headlight setup, clearly inspired by the S1000RR. The result is a sharper, more aggressive face that finally makes the Supernaked look like a true sibling to its super sport counterpart. The 2026 BMW S1000R sticks with its 999cc inline-4 engine, making 170 horsepower and 114 Nm, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. BMW claims 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds with a top speed electronically limited to 250 kph. Curb weight is 199 kg, dropping to 196 kg with the M Sport package. The S1000R comes in Standard, Style Sport and M Sport variants. And that's a wrap for quick news this week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you again next week.